Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and in this video I am going to give a small presentation on solar panel usage in charging a laptop. So let's quickly get into it. Whenever we want to design any module, we need to have idea on what type of components should be used in this module and how many number of components of each time should be used. For that we should have idea on load specifications. This experiment deals on charging a laptop, so we need to know laptop specifications. My PC specifications are this. My laptop is manufactured by HP company and it's a 64-bit processor with Intel iCore i5. Coming to battery specifications, it has single lithium-ion battery installed in it and it's manufactured by Hewlett Packard, and the maximum full charge capacity of this is 38 watt. So coming to module, this is the module. We require 10 watt solar panel and a 10 ampere 12 volt solar charge controller, a 12 volt 20 hours battery, 200 watt inverter, and a load laptop. So we knew what type of components we required, and let's calculate how many components of each type are required. So first let's calculate inverter. My laptop requires 3 hours class. It requires 38 watt hour. So per hour it means it requires 12.67 watt. So input power should be 15.83 because inverter has an efficiency 80%. The required power is less than rated power, so one inverter is enough. And coming to charge controller, the current which pass through charge control is 1.32 amperes, which is very less than 10 amperes, the rated current. So one charge controller is enough. If the current passing through charge controller is greater than 10 amperes, then we should install a series combination of charge controllers. And coming to power consumed by laptop while charging, the actual power which comes to inverter per day is 0.059 kilowatt hour per day. In our locality, the worst case, that is the minimum solar radiation, is 4.9 kilowatt hour per meter square per day. So a 10 watt solar panel can give 0.049 kilowatt hour per day. The number of solar panels will required is greater. This ratio is greater than 1, so we require 2 panels. And coming to component specifications, these are the component specifications. An inverter is this type with efficiency 80%, and solar charge controller and solar panel loom solar with size 285 cross 350 cross 22 mm, and battery, an Amtech battery which is rechargeable. Now let's see budget for each of the following thing and final budget. So solar panel of 10 watt, we require 2 quantities. So each quantity is cost 750 rupees and both 1500. And solar charge controller, we need 1 quantity which charges 299 rupees, and battery 12 volt one, we require 1 quantity which charges 1735, and inverter 1 quantity which costs 549, and so the total budget will be 4083 rupees. So it means that with 4083 rupees, we will be able to design a module which enables us to charge the laptop using solar energy. And thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you.